you see all those elite sprinter when they win, they look at from the side to the side and checking out, how many people he beat,
Yeah,
and with a smile in his face. Does that look like when he's lifting 500 pounds? No, it doesn't. So it's
yeah.
very effortless.
I saw a video. I think it was yesterday of Bolt when he set the world record, not
Yeah,
to the final, but the semifinal.
right,
And from like 50 meters and on, he just like jogged like nothing, and he beat everyone.
right. Well,
Yeah,
that's what
he beat
happens.
like a 980 something, 83 or 85, I think.
Right. Okay, very good. How do you feel on this side?
On this side, like halfway through, I started feeling it going up into my hamstrings right here.
Okay, curling the right in the hamstring now. Very good. Let's go to the left.
I mean, I also feel it in the calf, but like I started feeling tension building up in my hamstring.
Okay, good.